Wow. That's a big house. Jay, who made that house? What? Did you make that? Wow, it's a sand house?
It's a big sand house? Yeah. That's the house. Okay.
Wow. Where's your dozer?
Yeah.
What is it?
I'm going to dump it everywhere.
You're gonna dump it everywhere?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Welcome to Jay Processo. Welcome to Jay Processo. Today I should actually make
Okay.
Hi, Jay.
Hey, Mama.
What happened?
I have bulldozers.
Bulldozers?
Yeah, bulldozers? Wow, awesome. Oh, that's a truck? You're putting in the truck? Awesome. Okay.
Bye.
All right. Where's your excavator?
Yeah.
Mm.
Bye, Mama.
Okay, where's your truck?
Here.
Wow, that's nice. It's picked up all the sand. Look. It's picking up all the sand. Then where are you gonna take it? Where are you gonna take the sand? Here? Where are you gonna dump the sand?
I'm going to dump it everywhere.
You're gonna dump it everywhere?
Yeah.
Oh no! Is it full yet?
Yeah.
Who's gonna drive the truck? Oh. It's up now. Go up. Get you more.
The other way. Yeah, yeah. The light will come up, okay?
Look. Wow. Alif, what are you doing? You gonna fill that up? Hmm. Wow. Hi, Jay.
Hi, Papa.
What are you playing today?
I'm playing with excavators.
Excavators? Awesome. What is your dozers? Where's your dozer?
Yeah.
What is it?
Here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. A lot of mud. You gonna put it inside? You wanna fill it up? Okay. Let's fill it up. Look.
This is sand.
Okay, that's a sand. Where do you wanna put the sand?
Here.
Okay. Hmm.
Sand be gone.
They're gone? You wanna fill it up?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing?
Building on the sand.
Filling a sand? Okay.
We're gonna dump the truck.
Okay, you're gonna dump it in the truck?
Yeah.
Mm. Good job. Awesome. Okay, I'll show you.
Now let me dig it up.
Okay. You put it in the truck?
No, dump truck.
Oh, dump truck?
Look, this one's like a dump truck.
Oh, this one is like what? How about this one?
This one's like a dump truck.
How about this one?
Yeah.
That's good. Awesome. Awesome. That's a big house. They made a very big house today. Wow. They made a very, very big house today. Mommy? Wow. Cool. Who did that?
Helping?
That's really good, Jay.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Nice. Oh, it's okay. Scoop more. And put it here.
Yeah. Make a big house.
Oh, okay. You want to fill the truck? Oh, you want to drive?
You can fill the truck. What is the tractor? Can you fill it up?
Yeah.
Here. Can you fill this up with the scoop? Wow. That's a big house. Jay, who made that house?
Like a big
What?
house.
Did you make that?
A sand house.
Wow, it's a sand house.
Big sand house.
Oh, your tractor is full of sand. Look at your tractor. They all are full.
Gonna fill more sand?
What is a scoop? You have to use a scoop.
Yeah.
Use a scoop. Wow, this is awesome. Good job, Jay. Look at you, you have everything filled up. Wow. All the tractors are all full of mud and sand.
Good enough this truck.
Nice. The truck is filled? Okay. Yes. Now you can play more. Okay? The rain is gone. Is it full? The truck is full? How about tractor? Can you feel the tractor? Where's your tractor? Where's your excavator? You have to fill it up. Lua! Jay found it. Yeah. It's inside the sand. It's inside there. Yes. Okay. You want to hide it again? It's okay. We'll go home and clean. Oh, that's a tractor. Babu found it. Jay, you found it. Can you find your excavator? Wow. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Wow, what is that? Okay. What else you have? Can you find more toys there? There's so many toys hiding inside.
Just hiding more head.
More? Ooh, big truck! Wow. You have more? Look, you have more. I see. Look, Jay. You have more. Look. Wow. Awesome. You have more? You can find more. Dig more. There might be more. Let's see if Baby Babu can find it. There's more. There, look. Jay, look. There's more. Wow. You wanna hide it again? Okay. That's awesome. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jay? Building? Are you building house? Okay. Let's build the house together.
Thank you for watching the J Pizza Show. Bye.